So I have wheat flour for pancake, little milk, water, and then cooking oil. The first pancake backfired. So I've changed the sufria. I want to use this one, but this one is not working. Let's see how this will turn out. But at this point, I think the best thing to do is to buy a saucepan. Yeah, that's the only way. The other day I used the heavy one. It did not work well. Today I'm using a sufuria. It's not working. So the next time I'll be cooking pancake, I'll have the saucepan, that one that is light at least. But let's see how this will turn out. Somehow this has worked, but very like I've struggled to get that. So at least today I'll eat pancakes. Though I'm not cooking a lot, I was not sure about the outcome, so I was just cooking for breakfast, like 2-3. But now at least I have something. This one just backfired on me. So this is the pancake I need to get to. Yeah, Yes, I've managed to get 2 pancakes, but I've been struggling. So, what I'll do, I'll just have to find a pan, the lighter pan to be cooking pancakes. They're so tasty, but now struggling to cook it. Yes, I did not put like the eggs inside because I don't like pancake with eggs. I just put milk. But next time I think I'll try. I just don't like the taste of eggs in the pancakes. But I'll try next time then. Guys, I think I did not greet you, and just want to say welcome to the channel. For those who are new here, I did not talk much, I did not introduce the vlog. So yes, so this is the day, my off day, and I was just doing what I eat in a day. Mostly I eat twice a day because I wake up very late in the afternoon because I work night shift. So I just take like a brunch, then I'll take supper around 9. So because today I was around, I woke up that time noon, took brunch, so that's why I just ate like breakfast, and then this is supper. This is my supper. Yeah, this is ugali, and this is greens, or collard greens. Yeah. So yes, that's what I eat in a day mostly, because most suppers I do carbs. Yes, and then today I again tried cooking pancake, but it backfired again because I already explained. So the only option is to go and buy the other pan for pancakes. But when I know how to do that, to make pancakes, good ones, you will not break. I'll be cooking every day. Yes, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video so far. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, you are watching and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. For those who are watching on the TV, kindly you can take your phone and hit that subscribe button and support me by watching. Until next time, bye bye.